Good.
Cheesy fries.
Cheesy fries. What you put in there, man? And we out here about to go to Tijuana Taco Tour, and we gonna see what they got to offer in Mexico with the taco. All right, big boy, he ain't allowed in Mexico because he ain't a true Mexican. Big boy, why you ain't here? Going to Mexico, baby. See how these tacos. Let's go.
Hello.
Adrian.
Hey, Adrian, I'm Miles.
What's up?
Pleasure to meet you, man.
What's up, baby?
Got Chef Adrian.
Chef Adrian.
So first stop, birria.
It's like $1 is 20 pesos. So it's like $1 a liter right now.
All right, so it's like less than $5 a gallon, basically.
Yeah.
Sauce, consomme, and it's so good. Like you don't just drink it; it's like a broth. So they dip that gives it that delicious.
Okay, that's beef, onion, cilantro, beans, salsa, and a crispy tortilla that has been fried in the birria fat. That's why it's a little bit red. A taco de birria.
Taco de birria.
Birria taco.
See, because I'm trying to tell them I know how to speak Spanish.
All right.
Chip on the huevos rápido.
Okay.
Uno, dos,
So
tres.
in Spanish?
Grande el negro grande.
Yeah, you're right.
So here we go, man. First taste. Let's see what we got. Let's dip it. Oh, the calf?
Cow.
Uh-oh.
For the texture, it's tender.
Oh, yeah? Thank you.
Now we have a carnitas taco with cilantro and onion, and we have a avocado sauce, avocado, tomatillos, fresh jalapenos, and some garlic and onion.
Ooh, it's still hot.
This is a different tortilla.
Is it good?
Good ain't the word. Spectacular. But this is crazy.
This is a birria man. It's birria plus ramen. Radish, onion, cilantro, a special sauce that we do with chile árbol and soy sauce, sesame seeds, birria broth, and birria beef.
Spicy. Back eating ramen, man. Healthy ramen, though. Mexico ramen. I think I'm about to move to Mexico, man.
That Coney sauce.
Mexico, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15. Ship them huevos rápido. I think I'm moving to Mexico. They go a van. They driving nice out here in Mexico. Come on, bring the AMG out here, but yeah.
Freshly made corn masa.
Big boy, don't be jealous. I'm in your native hometown, boy, and you can't even come. Good.
with carne asada, cilantro, onion, salt, fresh salsa, and guacamole.
Can't tell the cheese.
Maceteño.
Very, very popular place for seafood. For seafood tacos in TJ. Like fish nugget tacos.
Oh, okay. About to go down.
Right.
Oh, I'm cool.
We have a quesadilla with shrimp and fish.
So what type of fish they use, you know?
It's called pargo.
Oh, okay.
Only oceans. It's not a catfish.
The best shrimp quesadilla place in Tijuana. And it's spicy.
It has some spice.
Fried octopus taco. It's been seasoning with some sort of chilies, oregano, you know, like special spices.
Never had fried octopus. I like fried octopus. Chef Rush, you know I include fried octopus? Probably not. It's spicy.
What you got in your pocket?
I can't be showing these people what I take, man.
Oh yeah?
Keeping this to myself. Work gum, man. Gotta stay amped up, keep your breath fresh, nootropic, so you be able to think properly.
Feels a little elevated, right?
Elevated.
Even though we're in like taqueria.
Yeah. It's artistic. I like the McDonald's theme that's going on here. You know what I mean?
This guy from Indiana, this upscale to him.
You know, anytime chefs put things in little cups and things, they try to, you know,
Right.
it's a little more precious.
Yeah, you gotta
a little
go
more
like
special.
this, yeah.
A matcha, right? Oil-based, tatamara. Everything's grilled over a fire. When you see this type of color, you know it's a chipotle. Tomatillo or avocado, also tatamara. When you see those black specks, it means it's been cooked over a fire.
Pork belly, cheese crust, onions, cilantro, guac, tomatillo, and serrano or jalapeno. Okay. This is an exotic taco. It's not a regular thing to see in TJ. This is a taqueria from a known chef. So la cochinada, it's called venom beans. It's because they add like habanero peppers and stuff in the beans. So these are black beans with pepper. They're spicy. Fried beef. And a taco. Al pastor quesadilla with pineapple. You can see the pineapple, guac, cilantro, salsa, white onion.
Excited to try it. It's just staying so hot. How it stays so hot? Good.
Good? Yeah, that pork is a little
We
bit
gotta-
more soft.
Yeah.
It tastes a little bit more strong in corn flavor.
It's a taco with the blue corn tortilla, and this is picanha. One of the best cuts that we use for meat is picanha, this beef, and this is chimichurri. It's a different taco. Very expensive.
Oh yeah?
It's $132, ain't it? Yeah, it was $132.
Mario knows how to make an expensive taco.
I need a loan.
Tastes like money.
This is the pork skin, tender and crispy.
Here we go. It's hot as heck.
How do you feel the textures of the meat?
It's like butter.
It has
It's just
crispy
smooth.
bites.
Yeah. These shells, man, something special.
Do you want to get drunk?
The best tacos in the world, and guess what? It's his. It's Adrian's.
So this has been slow cooking for a long time.
Is that a whole pig?
Yeah.
All right, pork that has been marinated for like 8 hours or so. spices, cinnamon, cumin, red salsa, onion, cilantro, and the tortilla.
No, everything's spicy, man. Good as heck. Good, man. Just spicy as heck. Yeah, just for me, I love this. It would probably be my second.
Second?
The pork would be the first. Just because it's a little spicy. But it's not hot. Oh, I thought I was going to eat it whole.
No. The cow eyeball.
That's an eyeball?
Yeah.
And you got it, the whole eyeball?
It was already kind of like
It's like half
gelatinous.
eyeball.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a big
A
eyeball.
little bit of the eye socket. A little bit of the socket.
Let's see how eyeball tastes, man.
The eyeball of the cow.
Let's see what that eyeball tastes like, boy. I'm about to eat one of them haters' eyes right now, man. It's like melting my mouth.
Yeah, the texture is like, you know.
Give me about 2 more of them eyeballs, man. Eat all of them haters' eyes, man.
Super fried pig. So the crumbs and stuff that has a lot of flavor goes in the bottom.
Oh.
You scrub it up and you use it.
I see why Trent's smuggling these tortillas back. I'm like Robert now. That's like a dessert.
Oh, jeez. Look at him.
So like buttery.
So here we go with a healthy taco, guys. Got that cactus in it. Cactus good, man.
$150 for cheese fries, bro? Come on, bro. $600?
Cheesy fries. It's called
Cheesy fries? Oh,
we
but
have nacho cheese, mozzarella cheese, and some garlic, like dressing, and green onions, and bacon.
And bacon.
Right, that's
Yeah.
what I was saying. Yeah. Let me take one up in there, man.
Yeah, that's all I'm gonna. Buffalo.
God. What you put in there, man?
Buffalo.
Put in there, man.
Citric buffalo, barbecue, and this is like a tartar something, you know?
Good. I'm moving to Tijuana, man. I'm moving to Tijuana. I'm bringing the track hole, everything. Bring the Mercedes, everything. They're going to kill me.
So this is this bowl is flaming bowls. It's mac and cheese on it.
Oh.
It's a mac and cheese ball.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and this is flaming hot Cheetos coated.
Man. Slide them over here, buddy.
Best for the camera.
Oh, goodness. Whoa. Ooh, it's hot, boy. Yeah. That's on it. Thank you for the blessed food in Mexico, baby. So when I move to Tijuana, you gonna make sure nobody hurt me, right?
Yeah.
He's doing this thing.
Thanks. Carne asada, beans, fresh salsa, cilantro, onions, and guac. Great.
It's about my 100th taco today. Hey guys, I don't know who restaurant was first. The first one we went to in this video. Can't nobody touch it.
I think it was this guy.
Who was it?
Yeah. I think it was his.
His the best?
Yeah.
Dang. You killing these people, man. Your meat was flavored. We had a lot of good food in Tijuana, Mexico, Tijuana. It was amazing, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And hey, I'm about to move to Tijuana, man. What y'all think about that? Tell me in the comment section if I should move to Tijuana, man. I love y'all. Hey, tell me in the comment section what y'all want to see me eat next. Let's go, baby.
hustle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.